Hello and welcome to Mathematical Universe. In this universe, we'll be treating more intricate problem in finding the root of a quadratic equation. Now, in this particular problem, it says one of the roots of cx squared plus bx plus a equals 0 is 4 times the order. A, B, and C are constants such that C is not equal to 0. Show that 4b squared equals 25ac. This is more like a proof. We have to show, we have to solve. Now, by judging from the question, if we recall properly in the last video when we solved for the sum of products, we used this expression ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Sorry, pardon me, I'm supposed to say to every problem there's always a solution. All right, so when we add this, we had to say alpha be a root and beta should be the other root, where alpha was representing minus b plus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and beta was representing minus b minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then when we solved for the sum alpha plus beta, we had minus b over a, and when we solved for the product, which is alpha beta, we had c over a. So in this case, we're given that one of the roots is 4 times the other. So if I should say let alpha and 4 alpha be the roots of the quadratic equation, what am I trying to say? That is, one of it is alpha and one of it should be 4 multiplied by alpha. That is, if, judging from what they said here, they said one of the roots is 4 times the other. So this is 4 times the first one. So if one of the roots is alpha, let 4 alpha be the second root. Then it means that to get the sum, SUM, I know that I'm saying alpha plus 4 alpha. Just like when we did the sum for this, when we had alpha plus beta. But in this case, the beta is more or less representing 4 times the previous one. So that's why I'm having alpha plus 4 alpha equal minus b over c. Why is it minus b over c? If this one is minus b over a, judging from this particular expression, but we're using this expression this time around, so it means the second term over the first term, the second term over the first term, the second term over the first term, plus negative of the second term over the first term. So it means for the sum of this also, it will be negative of the second term over the first term, and that's why we have minus b over c. So let's call this equation 1. Then we know that this plus this will give us 5 alpha. Don't call it equation 1 yet. This is 5 alpha. So 5 alpha will be minus b over c. We can call this equation 1. There's no way we can proceed further from this. So let's go to the second interpretation, which is the product. The product this time around will be alpha multiplied by 4 alpha. And this will give us, if this product here, alpha beta, give us c over a, which is the third term over the first term. So in this case, it will be a over c for this particular expression. So I'll be having a over c at this expression. So this multiplied by this will give us 4 alpha squared, and this will result to a over c. Let's call this equation 2. Now that I have equation 1 and 2, I can proceed further. I can say from equation 1, you can take note that equation 1, what is equation 1? Equation 1 is 5 alpha equals minus b over c, right? So if I want to make alpha the subject formula, Why I don't want to make alpha the subject formula? Because I still want to substitute it inside equation 2. But you understand as we proceed further, because I'm trying to do everything in line with this. Show that 4b squared equals 25ac. So this would be in form of saying I want to make alpha the subject formula. So what do I have to do if I want to make up the alpha the subject formula? It means I have to remove 5 from here. To remove 5 from here, I will say multiply both sides by 1 over 5. That is the inverse of 5. 1 over 5. So this can nullify this. Then I will have alpha to be equals to minus b over 5c. Now that I have minus b over 5c, I can say also that square both sides. If I square both sides, I will have both sides of this equation. I have alpha square equals minus b over 5c all square. And this can result to minus b squared is more like minus b times minus b, where minus nullify minus, b times b will give us b squared. So this will give us b squared over 5 squared is 25, c squared will give us c squared, right? So it means the result of alpha squared is this. So let's rewrite it properly. So it means alpha squared equals b squared over 25c squared. Let's call this equation 3. Now we cannot substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Now substitute. We substitute equation 3 into what is equation 3? Equation 2 rather. What is equation 2? Equation 2 is 4 alpha square equals a over c. But recall that alpha square is already representing this. So I can just say 4 into the expression here, which is b square over 25c square equals a over c. Now from here, I'll try to manage the space. Hence, from this expression, if I multiply this with this, I'll get 4b square over 25c square. So let me write it here. I'll have 4b square over 25c square equal a over c. But from the question, we are asked to show that 4b squared equals 25ac. So we want 4b squared to remain on the left hand side. I want this to remain here and removing this. So to remove this, it means I have to multiply both sides by the inverse of this. So what am I trying to say? I'm going to write this as 4b squared over 25c squared equals a over c multiplied by 25c squared multiplied by 25c squared. So this can nullify the 25, this can nullify this, then I'll have everything here. Now notice that this is square and this is one of the c, so one c can cancel one of the square, so I'll be having 4b squared equals, I can write the constant for 25, then a, then my remaining c. So this is proved. Thank you. Remember, mathematics is the word and the world is mathematical. Thank you.